start around 2. I don't know, James. Oh, it's over there. So they're gonna start over at the cone, and we're gonna start here and hopefully find the stuff. Yeah. Got a huge chest. Let's go. We got ammo, guns. Come here! Oh, bullets like hell. Oh, let's go. Landmines. I looted the big chest. Hurry, let me plant these landmines quickly. It's really good. It's got magazine. You know how to use it. You just pull back, press down this, load it, and then put this back, and it's loaded, okay? Here, it's fully loaded right now. Alright, so you gotta load it, okay? Ready? Are they coming? Bro, I can't believe we loaded that chest. Ah! That good. You want to take it, don't put it in your like pocket? No, just so that they don't take it. Oh, bro, what are you doing? Alright, hide it. Wait, let me try it. Oh, yeah, it's loaded. Wait, let me try something. Wait, put this one around your neck. Alright. Shoot, James! Keep him under fire! No, use that one. I have to reload. Yeah, we can kill. I'll just cook on him. He comes back. James, just get rid of him. All right, let's get there. Crazy scope view. I hit him. Oh, that hit. All right, get out of here. I'm gonna have to ditch your sniper gun. It's actually really good. I might need it. This thing's actually good. All right, ditch it, reload, and get ready for more attacks. All right, over here. You just pull the thing backwards and press down the other button on the other side. All right, I got your back, James. Don't worry. out of here and then get their ammo. Hold on. Hold on, I got this guy. I got him! Shoot, this is the one that jumps. Ah! I got both of them. Let's go. Reload. Touch ammo! No, I gotta reload quickly. Yes. James, just grab the ammo and run, okay? Leo's already on his way back. Yes, he is. What? Huh. Keaton's running though.
Alright, yeah. Just respawned. So, gonna go back. Time to sneak up. Full ammunition. Just respawned. It's time for battle. Bye, guys.
Go, James! We're not doing good. Well, the camera can hear my heart beating. Alright. Keep them under fire while I'm reloading, okay? If they come over. Be quiet. Alright, I'm ready. Look, I got almost all of them. James, you only need 10 more minutes. Hold on, come on. Wait, no, this is where they got jammed. Wait, you're dropping your knife, bro. Alright, stay far in. This is a good shot. Yeah, I know. Look, I can get shots from here. Huh? They're coming. We gotta go for the ammo, James. James, we're trapped. We gotta get out of here. Oh, nice, man! You don't know how to unjam it. Oh, you do. Yes, James! Wait, Leo's planning a sneak attack. He's right there. See him? Oh, I got him. He's down, he's down. Alright. Come on, we got a chance. Split for the ammunition, James! How many bullets left? Keep reloading. Oh, how much? Okay. Aw. Make him waste his bullets. Dan, you really want to mess with us, right? 2. I've never been. They're not coming. Bro, I'm almost full, see? Extra ammo can save me. No one can't feel he has the advantage. They don't. Kill Leo and then we're safe. They're both dead! Let's go! James, now's our chance to refill. They're both dead. No, we're not allowed. Let's just stay here. This is a good spot. We can stay here until we win. Refilling. We have so much time. Refill all your guns. Oh, James, if you die, bro. Bro, I just saved your butt. Leo was about to kill you. Almost screwed. Alright, yeah. Oh. Shoot, it's breaking. Okay, good. Alright, we got ammo as much as we need, bro. Oh, shoot, we're screwed if they come in. Wait, James. Oh, we're screwed. I refilled the whole thing, idiots. I wouldn't dare do that, guys. He's by your mom. James! Mom, hey, what's cooking? Look, I did all that rapid fire still. James, let's make a split first yard. James, come on! Wait, yo, this is crazy. No, it's not. It can. Yeah, seeing you come towards us. Oh, there's Leo. Stop, man! Alright, James, I want you to... Oh, stop! Nah. Alright, come on, James. James, let's get out of here, come on. One minute left till we win this, bro.
I walk back.
Alright. I see him. There he is. Leo's around the corner. 40 seconds. Guys! 40 seconds till we win the game. They're coming in for the attack. Get behind structure. Hard structure. Fire for your life! Stay down! Make a boom! They're coming! Oh yeah, let's lose the chest! Nah. Yeah, it was bad. This gun is OP, bro. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That video was sick. We win. Let's go, James.